Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can install our Plant SCADA application in the development workstation. So, in the development workstation, we will do all development inside the workstation, this development workstation. So, first, let's see what we need the hardware requirement for the installation. It's depend on your tag, how much tag count is there. For example, the 1500 tags you are going to configure. So for that, you need the 2 cores, then 8 GB RAM, and you need disk space minimum is a 10 GB. And similar, the graphic cards, and uh, you need the screen resolution 1920 by 1080, and you need network card is 10 Mbps. So, and what is the OS Windows requirement? You can use Windows 11, 21H2 or later, and similar manner. Here's the below is the some other Windows requirement is there. I will use for this tutorial Windows 10 LTSC. Okay. So I'm going to use for this tutorial Windows 10 LTSC. Okay. So we'll open our setup file DVD. Just open it and right click over the setup file, run as administrator. Click over the yes. So again click yes to install Microsoft.NET Framework 4.8. Select the English language and then select next. Click here and click next. You can read. So here you can see what option we are going to install. For this, we are going to install the development workstation. If you are only going to install runtime client, you can select these options. And in case of server, you can select this option. For me, I will select the development workstation, click next, and development workstation, this all configurations will be available. From here, you can select which communication driver you needed. Okay. And what else other option you want to enable, you can enable. I will just keep default all of the options and click next. Then again, click next. From here, you can click over the yes. Yes, we will modify the Windows firewall settings and just click next and then click over the installation. Now the installation will start. Now click here over the config. Now select this no system management server config. Okay, then click here and okay. Okay. Once you click here secure, it's asking system management server not configured. It's up to you if you want to configure this SMS server, you can configure it. So let me configure it. It's configured now. Click here to configure. So we'll configure these options later. I will close it. So after installation, then we will restart the system and then we'll open the Plant Studio. We'll just run our demo software to see our installation is properly completed. Just select the project, click over the setup visit, click next, next, again next. From here, you have to select the My Plant and then you have to select it, which resolution you want. Click just next. I will just keep default and here you have to put the password, whatever password you want, and click over the finish. Then we'll click here over the run because this project is already compiled. This demo project, click over here over the run. Click OK. It will run in the demo mode. So as you can see, our demo mode is successfully running now. So Alhamdulillah, we learn how we can install Plant SCADA. So thanks for watching this video.